What's up, guys? Today we're going to be talking about this brand new first-person shooter that you can start playing right now for free and earn their currency, man. We're going to hop right into it. Cool thing is they are actually minting live right now. So this is a public mint. I knew Solana was going to start bringing some pretty good games to their blockchain. I just didn't think it was going to be this quick. So this is a shooter where you can earn Solana each time you kill somebody. And I'll show you right now how it's done. You can come to the Fractal website, which I made a video about Fractal. I'll leave a link in the description, but it is super easy to get in this game and start playing. That's what I love about it. Look at that, already in the game. Look at that, I got a sword, dude. Let's go. What's this? 3K characters and 3K weapons. Minting May 11th. Look at that. Look at that. Get lit, son. Double kill. This game's too easy. Oh, I'm talking too much shit too quick. So check that out. We joined a clan. Beautiful. Joined a clan, so we're going to be making a clan. Hopefully the juice team is going to be juicing this game. I'm trying to get them onto it. But here on the main website, you can see that they got the abilities page. You can upgrade abilities. When you rank up, level up, you can choose which ones you want to upgrade. I love how they have all the different types of grenades and mines that you can use. Different jump abilities. This game is going to be insane. It's already running pretty smooth for how new it is. You can hop right in and start playing. That's what we need. You guys got friend requests. Make sure if you want to add me, just do paid to play 101. Send me that friend request. We're in there. We're playing. Look at that. He added me. Let's play. Let's get in there. Somebody already took my name, paid to play. I tried logging in, paid to play. Somebody already had that one. Look at each one of these earns different. Like, look at legendary supply, earn 15% bonus. Common 150. What? This is. You can click on that. That's beautiful. Look at the art. Oh yeah, I respect it. We got characters. We got some weapons. Look at that. These weapons look insane. Look at that. That's beautiful. All right, here's an overview on how we can earn. So what's up? How do we earn in this game? Okay, so this is how we earn in this game. Players with a character or weapon skin or both can earn Solana for every kill. Equipping both a character and weapon skin will earn you double the rewards. So the supply would go from common, rare, epic to legendary. So the E are off-chain virtual currency, which is used as a medium of exchange, prevent network fees and congestion. That is beautiful. So their in-game currency will be the EVE. That's what we saw we were earning when we were killing people. So this E currency that they're talking about is based off the number of kills you get. So the score is based on the number of kills you get, or 100 score per kill. And then getting headshots and sticky kills will give you multipliers that add to that 100. So they're able to convert Solana and the E currency over. You can cash out with Solana once you feel like you've done enough. So right now the conversion for E to Solana will be based on the market conditions. Obviously, they're saying the ebb and flow based on the current sponsors of Eve.io has the conversion rate of USD to Sol. The sponsors flow money into the economy. Well, hopefully these sponsors don't stop, because these free-to-play games bring in heavy traffic from countries that earn pennies, which pay for their lifestyle easily. So when can we start earning? We can plan to enable play-to-earn mechanics in roughly 1 month after the mint on May 11th. And they're going to honor all the E-balances earned for NFT holders. So clan rewards, our goal is for clans to function as a DAO in EVE with their own play-to-earn reward system that center more around group activities such as clan wars, tournaments, and others. If you are part of a DAO, you will be able to earn, not just for yourself, but also for your DAO. That's why we getting the Juice Team DAO going, baby. Let's go. All right, guys. This mint's about to end in 10 hours, so I'm gonna get this video out as fast as possible so you guys can get in there. Sorry I didn't see this sooner. I'll see you in the next video. Let's go, baby.